Sorry, bumper. I'm just gonna say, alright, so I didn't feel like using my whole thing, so we're just doing this for now. These I don't really need. I just got a tea kettle from Caraway, and it's too late for this. Could save 15%. Well, I might just save this because I might want to buy something again from Caraway. Oh my god, Bunny was afraid of the box. Did you see that? You might have. She's on camera. Hey, Bunsy. So alright, this is one of the things that I picked. I think this wasn't an add-on, but I can't remember. I know I picked out a few add-ons, like a few extras that like for extra money you could buy. I had this palette. I think I got it originally from BoxyCharm back when I used to use BoxyCharm, and I liked it so much. And I realized the age on the box was coming to expiration, or maybe it was past expiration not that long ago. I'm not even kidding. It's so coincidental how it was pretty much done. And I'm like, it's so nice. And although the colors are like, and I'm probably gonna wear this tonight, I'm gonna do my makeup in a bit for my sister's birthday dinner, but like the colors are so neutral and like brown things, but the shimmers are like nice and light. Like if you're looking for a neutral or like a not so flashy, smoky look, or just like something light and neutral, but glammed out kind of sort of, this is a good palette. This one's from Beauty Bakery, if I can only get it open. It's Beauty Bakery, The Chosen, Bun. Everything with them is bakery themed, which I like. And it's an eyeshadow palette with 9 shades. If I can get this out, I will show you. Cool. I'm gonna lose the plastic. So you see what I mean? It's really cute. Buns, cinnamon buns. I don't think they smell like chocolate, but it would be nice. No, it doesn't. It smells like yuck. But see what I mean? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmery shades. And then the 4 other ones are nice mattes. There's a brown, this one's brown sugar. They're all bakery, baked goods themes. Ingredients maybe. I'll go through them with you quickly. And they're just nice. They're not like overly pigmented, but I know from what I remember, they're good. Like they're just like, to me it has like the right amount of balance from what I remember. But they're nice. You could wear them all together if you wanted to go crazy. And they still probably don't look that crazy because, again, they're like, sorry the lighting's not so nice right now, but the flash isn't working. Hey, Buns. So we have Icing Fresh Gourmet, Aroma Dough Cinnamon. Sorry, they're like far from you. Sugar glaze, excuse me. This one's sugar glaze. Vanilla, and then the darkest brown is brown sugar. Like, I wish you could see the way this looks in real life. It's so pretty. And, like, this one has, like, it's, like, silvery with, like, flecks of pink in it. Like, this one in real life, it's so pretty. But, yeah, I'm going to try to take a nice picture of it at least. They're just really pretty. And, like, it does last. It says it lasts about, you had it for reals longer than you really needed to have it for. But they say, they call it a dreamy neutral palette that serves and offers up variety. Go completely neutral or go back for seconds and layer in a shimmer or a colorful matte. It's such a lovely palette. And I think this is good almost all year round, but especially in the fall and the winter. And it's just, I think I used it in the summer because the shimmer shades are so gorgeous, and it kind of reminds me of like the beach too. That's why I'm like, you probably could use it in the summer, maybe the spring. And it's just a beautiful palette. I really do like it, and that's why I decided to get it again. And I'm gonna, then what's this? Oh yeah, this is the table mat that I got. It's kind of like constellation themed or something. It's from a brand called It says desk map from Fabfitfun. I don't know what the brand is. In China, fabric, whatever. Well, that's very funny. I was thinking about putting it on my work desk or in my bedroom somewhere. Something. Isn't this pretty? It smells a little funky. Yeah, it's like this. I thought it would be interesting to use. But yeah, I feel like that's very funny. Hey buns, why are you hiding? I don't know. And what else did I get? This is a set of 3 cheese knives from Short Stories, Macy Blackwell collection. They use a lot of short stories things. I noticed, not necessarily a bad thing, but yeah. Oh, hey buns. Okay, all right, yeah, I ordered these because I'm like, you never know when you might need it. And I actually have this platter in my closet, or no, I put it in the china cabinet finally, which would be a nice cheese platter. I just haven't used it yet. These are like little guys. What is this made out of? It says dishwasher safe, hand wash recommended. Good to know. Spade knife for hard cheese like Parmesan. Pronged knife for semi-soft to hard Munster, like Munster. Flat blade knife for semi-hard and hard cheese like Gruyere. Gruyere, however you pronounce it. I don't know what material this is, but I'm sorry. I like showed something I the other day. But they're really interesting. These are like a golden color in real life from Short Stories. I'll put them in here for now. I might hand wash them. I might not. We'll see. But I mean, they're good for like entertaining because like that platter I got, I probably could use these with. And it's like a blue. I think it's like dark blue with white. I got these earmuffs. I think I'm gonna give them to my sister for her birthday. Perfect timing. They're black fuzzy earmuffs. I hope she likes them. It says 20% acrylic, 80% polyester. Everything's made in China. But yeah, like nice fuzzy black earmuffs. Cute, right? These are supposed to be, it's not really here. It feels rather light. It's from a brand called Paquito. I think that's how you pronounce it. Glass candlestick holder, set of 2. They're really pretty. This I remember picking out. Each piece is handmade and unique. Slight changes in color and size may vary. Paquito. New York City. Oh, they're like green. Green? I don't know, they're so pretty. I might put these in my bedroom, I might not. I might put them on the china cabinet. I don't know. I'm gonna show this to you if I can get it out without breaking it. I don't do all this funny things. Okay, this I got so far. So, isn't this gorgeous? It actually matches our TV console really nicely. Maybe I'll put these here. You gotta see my face right now if you can see it. I'm like, maybe I'll put them here. Yeah, because they really match. I'll show you in a second what I mean. Once I get this one out, hopefully without breaking it. They're very like delicate looking, that's why I'm nervous about getting these out and breaking them. Ooh! And it matches my dress too, how pretty. Yeah, aren't these pretty? They're very, 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 very delicate looking and fragile, and they're pretty. I'm like, I like these. And let me show you what I mean, jelly beans. All right, don't mind the clutter, but I'm going to show you what I mean. Doesn't this match it really nicely? I don't even think I was thinking about that, but I might have been thinking about that. I don't know. Sorry, I don't want you looking at my mail. But doesn't this look like it matches to a T? Like it matches very nicely. I might leave them out here, like not necessarily like this, but I might leave them out here. They look really pretty. From Caraway, because I wasn't crazy about everything on here. You know me, I'm very particular. And I was like, out of the options in this category, the only thing I wouldn't mind getting, pot holders. And these are cute because you could hang them somewhere. I have nowhere to hang them. They have these little hooky things here, and you can hang them on something, but we don't have anything to hang them on. But I can definitely put these in my drawer. Like, I'll definitely use these. Oh, you can put your hands in here. That's cute. See? Caraway. And they gave you a coupon too. 100% GOTS cotton shell, 100% polyester fill, exclusive of decoration. What do you mean of decoration? I don't know. Machine wash, warm, gentle cycle, do not bleach, blah, blah, blah. Do not dry clean. It's not necessary. It doesn't say it's not necessary, but that's what it says. Do not dry clean. So we have Caraway, it's upside down. And then we have Caraway on this side. Well, that's interesting. And then see the little hooky thing? I mean, hypothetically speaking, if you had a setup like that, you could hook it onto something. But we don't have anything in our kitchen in the area. But I mean, if you did, you could. But we don't. There's one item here that I'm like really excited to open. Alright, so I ordered an apron. I figured why not. Again, it was something that like I wasn't crazy jonesing about, but I was like, let me just get the apron. That feels heavy. Because I like to cook. Usually, I don't know, when I cook, I cook in my towel, in t-shirt or a dress. I don't know. I'm not kidding. And it's from a brand called, it says Cooking Apron, Sewing Down South. Established 2018, Charleston, South Carolina. Well, that's cool. It's very heavy. Machine wash on cold. Our perfectly plaid 27 by 31 caping apron is so perfect for cooking and crafting. Designed by Craig Conover. Whoever he is. Craig Conover. I don't know. I might give this away. I don't feel like throwing. I don't like things that feel heavy. Oh, I see why there's like buckles on here. Why? Yeah, this is gonna hurt me. Give this away to my sister. So I opened it up. Yeah, this is gonna hurt me because it's heavy. I have a neck problem, especially today after what I did today with my neck. This is a purse that I was excited to see how it's going to be because I may or may not bring it on vacation. And I was debating I should buy another one. This is from Rebecca Minkoff. Seems kind of heavy. It's from Rebecca Minkoff and studded. And it has this, I don't remember if it's real leather or full leather. It might be real. It's hard to tell. And it has like this chain. I think it's a shoulder and a crossbody or. Can you adjust the strap? No, this is it. Alright. Yeah, I mean, it's alright. I think. And then when it's over like a crossbody, it's less heavy because I'm more like, you know. And they just stuffed it with all this tissue. Hey, bumper. Alright, yeah, more tissue. I'm like Rebecca Minkoff. Now that's a good deal. On the inside it says RM Rebecca Minkoff. There's a little zippy section. Studded top zip crossbody, one size. Fits most. I lost the piece of whatever, it's fine. Yeah, they literally did that. And there's a little silica pouch in here. I mean, that's cool. Yeah, I mean, I like it. It's really cool looking. It's kind of edgy. I could fit almost all my basic essentials. Not every essential, but I could fit like certain things in here, which is great. Yeah, I like it. It's kind of like edgy looking, you know what I mean? Like cool. That's why they put the fish in here, because if you take the fish around, you like have it sit like this, it looks kind of silly. But it's cute. Let me show you from a distance what it looks like. I'm ready to go to the beach. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it. So yeah, that's my Fabfitfun for the winter of 2023. Yeah, this is the Rebecca Minkoff purse. Thank you again, and I will see you later. Bye. Bye. Yeah, this is everything. These are the candlesticks, the pot holder, the purse, apron. This is the apron, the earmuffs, the eyeshadow palette that I really do love, and the desk mat. Oh yeah, and last but not least, the cheese cutters, cheese knives.